Good morning, Jennifer. Welcome. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Brown. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
It's nice to meet you. Are you ready for the interview?
It's a pleasure to meet you. Yes, I'm ready. Thank you for having me.
Let's begin with a brief introduction about yourself. Can you tell me a bit about your background?
Thank you. I'm Jennifer, and I have 3 years of experience in customer service. I've worked in fast-paced environments, helping customers resolve issues quickly and efficiently. I'm passionate about providing excellent service and building strong customer relationships.
Can you give an example of a time when you handled a difficult customer?
Sure, a customer once called upset because their shipment was delayed. I listened carefully to their concerns and apologized for the inconvenience. Then I checked the status of their order and expedited the delivery. I also followed up to ensure they received it on time. The customer appreciated the effort and left positive feedback.
What would you do if a customer requested something outside company policy?
I would explain the policy politely and why it's in place. Then I'd try to find an alternative solution that meets their needs within company guidelines. For example, if a refund wasn't possible, I might offer a store credit or discount instead.
How do you work with a team to meet goals?
I believe communication is key. I make sure everyone is clear on their roles and deadlines. In my previous job, I often volunteered to assist teammates when they were behind so we could meet our targets as a team.
Thank you for your answers. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, thank you. What does success in this role look like in the first 3 months?
Great question. Success would mean quickly learning our systems, providing excellent customer support, and maintaining a high satisfaction rate.
That sounds exciting. Thank you for sharing.
It was great meeting you. We'll get back to you soon.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. It was a pleasure meeting you as well. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.